After testing more than 100 custom ChatGPTs, I finally found the best ones. And what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. Good news! Earlier, custom ChatGPT features was only available to Plus customers, but now it is absolutely free as I'm recording this video. These custom ChatGPT models will help you not only with learning a language, but also with making videos, generating images, getting your horoscope done, and even making your own game. And much more. I'm Boris, let's dive in. So first of all, what exactly is custom ChatGPTs? Custom versions of ChatGPT, also known as Custom GPTs, are specialized adaptations of the standard ChatGPT. These are tailored to specific tasks or industries. Generic ChatGPT will give you a very standard answer, and it may not be the best answer for your question. But with custom GPTs, it can provide a domain-specific knowledge that makes AI much more effective than generic ChatGPT. When should it be used? In case a standard ChatGPT cannot resolve certain tasks, that's when you use custom ChatGPTs. You may ask yourself, how can I find custom GPTs? You need to have an account. If you don't, you will need to create one. Once you launch the ChatGPT interface, click on Explore GPTs, tab on your left. If you are using ChatGPT on mobile, click on the menu and then click on Explore GPTs. And here we go, that's where custom GPTs are listed. Click on Custom GPT that interests you to view more details. You can read a short description, its ratings and category, and then click Start Chat. Some people reached out asking how I create my videos. My video creation process is quite manual for now, but with the help of custom GPTs, there is a quicker way. So in this video, I will show you how it can be done. Create a 2-minute video about the benefits of working out 3 to 4 times per week. The video should feature both female and male athletes and have upbeat music in the background. The goal of this video is to promote a healthy lifestyle. ChatGPT will ask you some questions. The goal of this video is to promote a healthy lifestyle. My target audience is people who are unsure whether they should work out. I usually like upbeat music. It dives deeper and asks you for some questions. It suggests to include call to action. That's when I mention that there should be a request to like, share and subscribe at the end. Based on your input, ChatGPT creates a script for the video. Once your script is done, you can ask to generate a video for this script. Here, you would need to click on Allow. As you can see, just after some simple text conversations, you will have your video. And bingo, we've got a link. The video is being generated. I will fast forward a bit to speed things up. As you can see, it comes with an editor. I will switch to landscape mode. You can adjust the volume, remove or add some stock footages. Let me play this video. I'm not sure if you will hear it as well.
Working out 3 to 4 times a week can transform your life. Imagine waking up feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. Regular exercise improves your sleep quality, so you wake up refreshed and full of energy. Feel the difference as your muscles grow stronger and your body becomes more toned.
This editor is pretty simple. You can replace the footage and upload your own videos. You can choose music that you like, even upload your audio. Next, let me export this video. If you have a paid version, you can choose HD or 4K video quality. If you use a free version, you will have a watermark, so-called vid logo. But if you decide to purchase a plan, then you can remove their logo and put your own. The video is finally downloaded.
Working out 3 to 4 times a week can transform your life. Imagine waking up feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. Regular exercise improves your sleep quality, so you wake up refreshed and full of energy. Feel the difference as your muscles grow stronger and your body.
Please write a comment if you like this video, or if you didn't like, still write a comment. I read all the comments. It took me a long time to prepare this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.